Hey, what's up guys? Ken Shi here. Welcome back to my channel. So what are we doing today, Elliot?
We're gonna wash my dad's car.
Tia is dirty, so she definitely needs a bath. And those new to my channel and don't know who Tia is. Tia is my 97 Mazda Miata M-edition. Thank you. Don't hate. I know you're jealous. Just joking. So before you wash your car, there is a few tips and tricks that I wanted to share. Again, I'm not a professional. This is just from over the years of just doing this. And so first off, try to wash in a shaded area. I'm under this tree. If you can't, then try to do your cars in sections. Always start with the top sections and work your way down. Usually you do the wheels last. So, and if you have a big car like a Lincoln with the suicide doors, then definitely do in sections. Start with the roof, then goes to the hood, trunk, etc., the sides and all of that. Wheels are always last. And this is the stuff that I use. You'll need 2 buckets. Disregard that. There is 4 there, but just as 2. It's stuck. I can't get it off. Let me know if you know how to get buckets off and leave it in the description. But yeah, so you need 2 buckets. The reason why you have 2 buckets, one is for the soap, and the other one, soap and water, and the other one is just for water for rinsing. So you prevent from any dirt. A microfiber chenille mitt. And I use that. Nice soft bristle. These are for the wheels. And then this is to dry it out with. I used an absorber. It's like a synthetic a rag, pretty much. Soap. I use any kind of soap that's on sale. I'm not really big on brand, really. It's whatever, or the middle ground price. This is Black Magic. As far as wheels go, I don't really use any sort of cleaner. Most of them that I found is pretty abrasive. So they wear out the paint, and here, I'll show you. See, considering these are pretty old wheels, but they do wear out, if you could see the wear out paint. And also my wife's wheels, they're OEM. You know, the GLI actually has the red calipers. So a lot of them say that you shouldn't even use the cleaners because they'll wear out the paint. So okay, so I just use a soap. I just use a soap for that. Three-hour tour.
Hey Dad, aren't we supposed to be washing the car, not this?
Oh yeah. Let's go back to washing the car. Sorry. Well, that's about it, guys. Hope you enjoy the videos. Tia's all clean and shiny. So what do they need to do, Elliot?
Press the like button and subscribe.
Yeah, that's right. Thanks, guys. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment, and stay tuned for the next videos. Take care.